disappointed sound boy, turning into dance soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm in front of my neighborhood, just walking, driving by and see a sound setting up. The great Venom from New York City. Yeah, man.
What's up, people?
Yeah, they might tell me I use 24s and 21. Never heard of 24s. I'm waiting to hear it. So you say you haven't really, you can't tell the difference yet, right?
Not yet. It's definitely, you feel the pressure, but I'm perfected in a few minutes, or by tomorrow.
Okay.
Definitely.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the day off tomorrow to come check it out. But yeah, I'm showing what the truck looked like. Like I was just driving by, I didn't even really know. So let me show you what the truck looked like. Box them look neat. Yeah, so they have 24s and 21s. I think the 24s are in the middle. You said the 24s are in the middle, right? Can't really see the speakers, but they're 24s. Linearies up top. They're putting linearies right here. Where's the boss? Yeah. So that's Venom sound from New York City. Which part of New York the sound come from?
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn sound. Come on. Brooklyn sound. And that would be two sides. Speakers on both sides. I'm waiting to hear it.
Literally, we have really seen what it was.
Big sound. Big sound. So this is Sean Venom from Brooklyn, New York. Venom sound from Brooklyn. For Carnival, Florida Carnival. Venom sound. Move that. Yo, them things sound healthy. But you can't, you don't know which is which. You can't tell the difference.
Huh? Yeah, they drop it heavy. But tomorrow. Tomorrow. Perfected.
Yeah, tomorrow.
No, I can't do too much noise.
What time you ask? Because I live right back there, so I'll come out here early.
We'll be in the park by 8.
So by 7 them times?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna come out here about 7 o'clock. Come on. Yo, that thing sound wicked. Venom sound from New York City. Bad sound. Yeah, man, I'll come out early. Yeah, I live right back there, so I'll come out early. I can start recording.
First time they play, first time we turn them on.
Yeah.
Just to make sure they're working, make sure everything's good.
Yeah, man, them bad, it's on. How you? You said the box them come from China Street?
Yeah. I designed it, sent them design it. Nice and neat.
Them neat, them look good. And them sound good. That's the first time you have played them back there? Yeah. All of these? The 21s and
the 21s are I built those this year also.
Okay, but yeah, the 24s. Sweet. Sweet.
And the back stack is 21, double 21s also.
Not from China though. Yeah. Everything come from China? Straight? Wow.
This is my brand, so everything, all the line array, that's my brand.
China is where everything coming from anyway. So, you know, on the channel, they have some guys always talking about the Chinese stuff. I'm like, yo, that's where everything coming from China.
Yeah,
China doing everything right now.
Power songs not from China though.
Only the power song.
That's money right there. You know what I mean? That's still
I know those.
And I have nothing against the Chinese stuff. I have a rack of Chinese. I have a rack of Chinese. That's original power song. And I have all of it.
Yeah, I mean, my son, I use CBR straight. I have some of the new 42 tools.
I want to try it.
Yo, I'm going to buy 2 of them for the baseline. Wicked. I play with Scorpio about a month ago. And I use one of them on 4W18. Wicked.
I don't have no more 18.
I have 12 W18s and then 8 single 18s. I don't have no 21. I like how 18s play though, personally. Yeah, wicked. Tomorrow I'll take the day off tomorrow. I own a driving school, I have a full day schedule, but I'll cancel it. I'll cancel it, yo. Look how we in.
Sound boy, toiling in the dance hall. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.